Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're walking through how to add a new category or account to your chart of accounts in Xero. Whether you're setting up your books for the first time or need a new place to track transactions, let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account and head to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Accounting in the main navigation bar, and then select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down menu. Here's your full list of accounts. Think of it like the master list where Xero organizes all your financial transactions. To add a new category, simply click this button, Add Account. Now, you'll see a form pop up. Here's where you create your new account. First up, choose your account type. This tells Xero how to treat this category in your reports. For example, you might pick expense for office supplies or revenue for a new service you offer. Next, you'll add a unique code. This can be anything you want, usually a number that fits your system and not already in use. Xero recommends keeping codes organized by type, like starting all revenue with 400, for example. Then, give your account a name. Make it clear and easy to recognize, consulting income. Optionally, you can add a description. It's helpful if you want a little extra context. Finally, if you want this account to record payments on invoices, bills, and other transactions, you can enable payments to this account here. When you're all done, just hit save, and that's it. Your new category is now ready to use across your Xero transactions, invoices, and reports. Recap: head to Accounting, open your chart of accounts, hit Add Account, fill out the form carefully, and save. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.